Welcome back to Teresa's Dad. My name is Teresa and I'm very much hands. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. Y'all, is this 2018 or what? I don't know. I don't know what happened. It's been a long time since I have BoxyCharm on this channel. And no, this is not sponsored. I don't think they ever will sponsor me, and that's fine. I'm okay with that. But you know what? I've been hearing a lot of good things, that BoxyCharm is amazing, and since Ipsy is awful, I really hope that this is good. I have been avoiding all videos talking about BoxyCharm because I genuinely want to be surprised. Now, I think BoxyCharm technically is a lot different from when I was a member of BoxyCharm. So with that said, let me tell you a little bit about this box. BoxyCharm Premium is a monthly subscription box that features 6 full-size beauty products for $39.99 a month. So with tax, I think this came out to like 40 and change. She ain't cheap. So I'm really hoping that the contents of this box is far better than all the shit that I have received from Ipsy, which has been hot water garbage. Now, I still have an Ipsy subscription because I hope that, you know, they'll prove me wrong one day. But in any case, I just love roasting a good box. So let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Oh, I love these little stupid little cards you get from BoxyCharm. Okay, so basically this shows you all the products that you're gonna be getting in your box. Now, I'm pretty sure you get to choose in BoxyCharm. I think when I joined, it was already too late, so they kind of figured out, based off my preferences, what garbage I like. So with that said, this should be really fucking interesting. Okay. Oh, what is this? Let's start with the thing that I know what it is. Ugh. For y'all who have been living under a fucking rock, this is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I remember using this for a little while. Sorry, my hands were a little too ghostly there. Okay, so the Too Faced Hangover Primer, I remember using this a long time ago, and I'm kind of going through this weird thing right now where coconut is not really my friend. Sometimes coconut water products I think work for me, but when it's like coconut oil, it fucks me up. So this one has coconut water in it, but even before that, before I realized I had some sort of weird fucking aversion to it, I remember thinking like, this is an okay product. It wasn't anything like, you know, shit your pants amazing, but it was fine. Dare I say, not even super fucking memorable. So yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna be giving this away to somebody, to the trash. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm gonna donate this product for sure. This is described as a revolutionary makeup primer. Infused with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin's radiance, promote elasticity, and help hydrate, while locking down makeup for fresher, longer, and more flawless wear. All right, this retails for $35. That's not bad. I don't want it, but it's not bad though. Honestly, I'm just impressed that I actually know the brand, because I feel like every Ipsy box from the last fucking year, it's like, who is this? So it's kind of nice that this is a familiar face at least. I don't want it, but it's familiar. 2 points for BoxyCharm. The next thing is from a brand I've never heard of. So surprising. This is, what the fuck is this? This is Royal Tulip Nectar, fragrance-free moisturizing nectar. This box is heavy as fuck. So the brand's called BloomEffects. Ew, do you see that? Ooh, it's so, it's so watery. Oh God, no. Oh no. Ooh, is that supposed to be like that? That is fucking bog water. This is fucking bog water. All right, hold on, wait. Oh my God, this is like a fucking dirty snow globe. What is this? Okay. Oh, please tell me this is what it's supposed to be. Because I would hate that that's separated. Oh, it kind of also looks like fig jam, which is making me really hungry right now too. But anyway, this retails for $65. This healing ointment to serum hydrate. Okay, so it's ointment to serum. Ointment to serum? What the fuck? All right. Hydrates, soothes, nourishes, and helps repair the skin's barrier. Powered by proprietary Dutch tulip complex and a bouquet of earth source botanicals. Why did I say botanicals? Botanicals. Apply it anywhere your skin needs extra love. Try it as a moisturizing sleep mask. Okay. All right, hold on. We gotta. Oof. Oh, that is not right. Oh, I don't like that. Okay. That's jelly. That's fucking fig jam, bro. That's okay. I know you really don't like me fingering this. Oh my God, this is alien secretion. Alien oh, it is glowy. Wow, that is glowy. It is alien secretion. It smells familiar, like a closet. It smells like the inside of a closet. It smells familiar, like, you know when like you're a kid and you're playing like hide and go seek or whatever, and you're just like hiding, you're at a family party, you just want to avoid the family drama, so you're playing games with your cousins, you're hiding in your aunt's coat closet where it kind of faintly smells like old marijuana and mothballs, like too specific. Anyway, that's what it smells like. It smells weird, but familiar at the same time. Okay, you know what? That was slightly terrifying. I don't know how I feel about this. We're gonna close it up though, because I'm afraid if I keep it up any longer, it's just gonna come out and then try to eat me. It almost, you know what? Wait a second. This kind of almost looks like the looks like the thing from Creepshow 2. Remember like the black tarp, except it's brown. That's what this is. It's a fig jam tarp that's gonna come and kill me. Okay, all right, okay. My hands are so slippery, by the way. Ugh, okay, we're gonna put this away. We're gonna keep on keeping on. Oh, yay, another brand that I actually know what this is. This is from Bite Beauty, and this is the Agave Daytime Lip Balm. Listen, I love me a lip balm. I'm so excited about this. Oh my God, ew. I'm already getting this so oily because of my alien secretion hands, but this looks so fucking good. Oh yeah, Ooh, this is everything I want it to be and then some. So this guy retails for $16, and this is a clean, vegan, lanolin-free moisturizing lip balm that hydrates up to 8 hours with a luxurious glide and no waxy feel. I love lip balms that just feel like butter almost on your lips. This one feels like that. I'm gonna have to wash the container because all it is now it just looks like I have oily fucking fingers and it just looks gross, but this is awesome. Super excited about this product. The next one is from another brand I've never heard of, and it's called Odacite Pure Elements. This is called Pimples, Black Cumin, and CAJEPUT Serum Concentrate. I don't even know if that fucking sounds anywhere correct, but whatever. This retails for $36. Formulated especially for problem skin, this potent serum helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes. It's so concentrated that 2 or 3 drops morning and night is all you need to awaken skin's beauty. Black cumin oil helps purify the skin, promoting a more smooth and clear appearance. CAJEPUT, I guess I'm again probably butchering it, supports a fresh and clean complexion visibly free of blemishes. Okay. I mean, you know, my skin, while dry, is still pretty decent, but I do occasionally get a couple of pimples here and there when I have my period. So you know what? I'm gonna hold on to this and I'm gonna play around with this when I get my Aunt Flo, which I feel like is soon because I feel rage inside me. I don't know about y'all, but I feel rage mostly, and my patience, which is already really low, is negative 50,000. So can't wait to snap someone's head off, but at least I'll be blemish free. I'm excited for that. This is fun. I don't know, I feel like I'm going to the beach. What is this? This is from the brand Nature Luxe and Willow. Oh no, it's just called Luxe and Willow. This is a 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup pads. Oh, that's cute. It's also cute if I could open the fucking bag up. It doesn't help that my hands are so goddamn oily. Ugh. All right, hold on, I need to wash my hands. Okay, we are good to go. All right, I'm just gonna rip them out of the little pouch because it's not cooperating. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they feel really nice. 4 of these guys retail for $20, and they're basically hypoallergenic reusable bamboo pads. Okay. Use the mesh. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so apparently you're supposed to use the mesh bag and put them in, and then you could throw them in the washing machine. That's really nice. I just have to like undo this fucking knot, but I'm gonna try these out though. They feel really good. Yeah, they feel really comfortable in the skin, so that's awesome. Dare I say I'm actually having a better time with this box? What the fuck is that about? I'm so not used to this. This is weird. Now the last product we have is from LUXE, which seems like an old-timey envelope. They're gonna tell me that the queen is dead. I can't wait. Let's open it. What? Oh, brushes. Okay. All right. Okay, so these 3 brushes, which I'm so sorry that I feel like my tablecloth is just too dark for y'all to see, but there are 3 brushes here. And this is the On The Go set. They retail for $96. I know this doesn't. This is bullshit. This feels so cheap and plasticky, it's not even funny. $96, this is the equivalent, and I say this every time, to the items you find in DSW as you're waiting to check out. You'll find a leather keychain that apparently is supposed to be $150, but they marked it down to 10 bucks. That's what these are the equivalent of. But anyway, this 3-piece set comes with a dense, domed brush for foundation or contour. I mean, I will say the bristles do feel nice. A powder brush for a highlighter or blush. This one not as nice as the other one. And then we have this teeny tiny one that is a small dense angle brush for eyeliner or eyebrows, which I like for eyeliner, and I feel like this could be pretty good. It's a little bit thicker than I like it to be, but whatever, it's usable. This is the only one that I'm like, could have been better. It's too like flimsy, which I don't like. I don't like that in synthetic brushes. I'm assuming these are synthetic, but they are a Boxy exclusive. This is totally fucking inflated, $96. Yeah, okay, sure friend, okay. All right, so that is my box, right? I got everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I got all my shit here. Wild. Okay, so for March's box that I didn't get to pick, love this. I think this is really cute. I also love that I get a little beach bag. I just wish the knot wasn't so knotty, but I will figure that out, and I'll let you know how these work in the future, but so far so good. This, you know, whatever, I don't really give a shit about. I don't particularly like this product, but I'm just happy to see something that at least is recognizable. We'll just say that. But okay, all right, whatever. This I fucking love. I think it's wonderful. I love lip balm, can't have enough of it. And now I have this little guy. Super happy about this one. This one scares me, but also excites me. So I'm kind of curious to see how this is going to work, but we'll see. If I turn into a fucking goo monster, then we know what the culprit is. So we'll put him in the middle here. Then we have this. This could be potentially interesting because it's like a blemish cream or a blemish serum or whatever the fuck it was. Never heard of the brand, but I'm willing to try. This I think is by far the most insulting thing, only because it's retailed for $96 and clearly it is not worth $96. Like for 3 brushes, that's fucking lunacy. So that I think is a little bit bullshit. But overall though, I have to say, for kind of stepping my toes back into this world, I'm not mad at it. I definitely think I've had shittier BoxyCharms in the past, and you know, maybe I just needed that like 2+ year break. But I think overall, I'm happy that I'm getting products from brands that I've heard of. I think that's probably been my biggest complaint about other subscription boxes, is that oftentimes it's just things I've never heard of and they're not even good, you know? There's at least 2 of them that I've heard of, which is fucking leaps and bounds better than anything I've ever had to deal with so far from current subscription boxes in my life. But yeah, okay, not terrible. So I am gonna be doing next month, and we're gonna see how it goes. Now I know there is a Boxy Premium or Boxy Luxe. I think that's like the biggest box. I think I might do those case-by-case basis, because the only thing that sucks about BoxyCharm is that you can't have that membership without having the original BoxyCharm box. So technically, like, you need to have their base box to get it. You can't have a premium box and get it. So that's the only thing that is really kind of shitty, and I remember not liking that when it was initially launched, and I was hoping that that would have changed, but I guess not. In that case, I might do those subscriptions every once in a while, just if the box sounds interesting, but not bad though. Like, I'm pleasantly surprised about this shit. I really am. So anyway, let me know down below if you do get BoxyCharm, and if these products were in your box, or if you got something else, let me know, because I love hearing from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button that's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really nasty garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, which is nothing. Joke's on you. But if you want to know where I got this tablecloth, which I know is seasonal, but whatever. I'm still trying to find stuff. Everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little cupcakes later. Bye.